So an overview of our meal prep Monday is going to start off with high protein sweet potato casserole bake that's super convenient. Got our ingredients here. We're going to do a ground turkey sweet potato recipe. That's also going to use some broccoli, some eggs, some casserole. It's going to be more of a breakfast dish. So in total, we've got egg whites, broccoli, sweet potatoes, mozzarella cheese, some whole eggs, some ground turkey. We've also got some applesauce, Italian seasoning, and some maple syrup, along with some milk, salt and pepper to taste, but that's where we'll start with this one. I go ahead and peel my potatoes and break them down into a little bit more smaller bite-sized chunks. Onion prepped, we've already got our broccoli ready to roll, so we'll be able to put that in pretty easily, and then we'll start putting this together. Potatoes are peeled, go ahead and chop them. So next up, we're gonna get a little bit of onion ready to roll. Onions are ready to roll. Now that we've got our sweet potato prep, broccoli prep, onions chopped, we're kind of ready to get things put together now. So we've got ground turkey, mix in some applesauce, some maple syrup. We're gonna throw in some Italian seasoning to about 1.5 pounds of turkey. All right, so for this recipe, we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Toss in our onions. Give it a little mix. Meanwhile, we've got about 1 pound of ground turkey, Italian seasoning, 1/2 cup of applesauce, 2 tablespoons of some maple syrup. Break this apart, mix it together, and let that cook for just a few minutes. Next up, we're gonna go ahead and get our 6 eggs, 1/2 cup of egg whites, 1/2 cup of milk, all mixed together nicely. So get our milk in there, about 1/2 cup, followed up by 3/4 cup of egg whites. We'll go ahead and mix that together. So we got our dish here. We'll go ahead and add in our broccoli and sweet potato mix. Next, we've got our turkey. We've got our eggs. We'll go ahead and mix this guy up here. Make sure everything's nice and coated. Lastly, before this goes in the oven, I've got about 1 cup of grated low-fat mozzarella cheese. Go ahead and sprinkle that across the top. So then we'll put this guy in the oven for about anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour. Let this bake. You just want the sweet potato to be soft, eggs to be set, and broccoli to be somewhat set as well. Got this behemoth of a quiche that somehow magically made it out of its pan. Looks delicious. The final cooked weight on this guy was about 2,003 grams. So we're gonna divide that by 6. That's gonna give us about 330 grams per serving. I don't know if I can cut that well, so it might not be perfect. Nonetheless, let's get after it.